I'll be behind 6 now.
Lima 3, okay, behind it.
Yeah, he just swerved to try to hit me. He just swerved right after to try to hit me. I had to avoid. We're northbound on 199.
Okay, northbound 199 somewhere.
Stand by, let me get my boys. 100% though, tried to make intentional contact at me.
Speeds in traffic.
103. White male, curly hair.
They're going to be approaching Reeds, it looks like. Above there, I am at Reeds there, approaching us now.
Okay. That was our previous bike call.
Negative.
Okay.
I'll take primary for now with radio.
Okay.
Northbound 189, Northbound 26, speeds 100.
Northbound 199, northbound 26, speed 100.
Traffic light.
Traffic light.
752. If he slows again, I am going to hit him so he doesn't try to intentionally strike somebody else.
Yep, got it. Back off, just all level.
Right, I'm going to obviously wait till we get to low speeds.
Still northbound, passing northbound 27, speeds 105. 6 is going into the wrong lane, passing one vehicle. Coming up to Roadson, this is a township unit up here in the roundabout, not sure which way 6 is going to stand by.
Approaching Rochester. 886 Aviation monitoring.
We're northbound 199, missed spikes.
Northbound from Rochester, this is like
The volume is still white, speeds approaching 100 again.
speed 100.
If we slow down for this roundabout up here, 752 would be a good place to pit. I believe all we have is guardrails on each side as long as we're going to traffic light.
Yep, got it. Feeling northbound 199, turn up to Apple Junction.
I'm not going to do it here. It's a blind hill.
Passing Apple Junction, speeds 75, traffic light.
That's Apple Junction, speed 75.
To the city unit here at the eastbound lane, going to a red light. 6 is on the vehicle and a green light. We are going through. Continuing northbound.
Continuing north on 199.
Passing one vehicle northbound from Louisiana. Speed 70.
70 passing Louisiana.
Traffic volume is really light at the moment.
Traffic light.
Continuing northbound through Indiana.
Northbound through Indiana.
Traffic volume is starting to pick up. Safe front of the alley.
Traffic moderate.
I don't know what he's doing. He just went head on toward the bicyclist too.
We're going to be going westbound on foot.
Westbound front from Louisiana.
The speeds are going to be around 60 to 70 miles an hour. Traffic's light to moderate. We're going to be taking Little Road, going up 25 into Maumee. You can notify them if they have been already.
Already being done.
When he swerved at me, just FYI, he had like a blank stare on his face. I don't know if he's 19 or 79.
Okay, we're crossing over the river now. Speed's 80.
Crossing the river, speed 80.
Yes, he's 31.
39.
We're good. Just stand by one.
He's still going. I think he's only on 2 tires. "31, get an ambulance here. It's on fire."
Okay.
Let me see your hands!
Are you on the bridge?
Yeah, sir, you still continuing?
1103, are you on the bridge?
5, Dudley and 25.
Dudley and 25, okay.
Get on the ground! Drop whatever in your lap! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground!
Well, we've got 6 at gunpoint. Vehicle stopped. He's getting out of the vehicle now.
Crawl this way, your car's on fire. Crawl this way.
Vehicle is on fire. Contact fire department.
Already contacted. Fire and EMS are both them out.
Anybody in the car? Go, I got it. Go.
Wondering what's the very nice.
Dudley and Conant.
Don't kill me. I'm confined. Don't kill your neck. All right.
1103 checkup.
Confined. Do not kill me.
Check, okay. 6-3
Those are pictures of me.
Okay, I'm resisting.
Six or 73.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Drop it! Drop it! Get out of the car! Get on the ground! Drop whatever in your lap!
I'm trying. Now! They're right here. They're right here.
Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
He's getting out of the vehicle now.
Crawl this way, your car's on fire. Crawl this way.
All my child
Stay there! This way!
All my child porn. All my child porn.
Oh, your child porn.
It's my man. It's of me. It's pictures of me.
Is there anybody in the car?
No.
I'm gonna
all
cuff
these
them up.
pictures of me. You have to get them. You have to get them.
Who do I have to get?
My child porn, man. It's not mine. It's not mine. It's not mine.